So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. The client has hair just around her shoulders, and it looks like she wants a modern mullet style. So it looks like she's gonna be getting bangs. Wow, oh, this is beautiful. She kind of did like a Shaggy Pixie bob. Very pretty. And this, of course, is right on trend with all the styles that we are seeing this season. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have the client coming in to get her hair done. Looks like she might be getting some layers. Beautiful, I really love this orange color that she has. Nice layered hairstyle with a flip under look. Beautiful bangs in the front to frame out the face. Brilliant. And then going along with all the trends that we've been seeing so far in today's video, we're gonna showcase a short, curly, shaggy style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Very nice, love the texture that the stylist created with this particular look. Beautiful, and this would actually be a really low maintenance style. Great option if you want to give your curling iron and your flat iron a break as well. Really cute. So next up we have someone with blue dip dyed ends, rocking kind of like that undercolor trend. She does have some bangs in the front. Looks like the stylist is taking the bangs shorter. Showing us a cool technique for cutting baby bangs. Wow, beautiful. And I really like that blue hair shade. So he does go in and cut the bangs even shorter. almost doing like a micro baby bang look. And then we have the next stylist putting in some color. Gorgeous, her hair looks so bouncy. The color is just a nice subtle hair change. And then we move into yet another modern hairstyle. So let me know in the comments below, are you guys liking all of these like mullets and shaggy hairstyles that we've been seeing? So it looks like she wants to go shorter with her mullet style. Oh, and she wants to go orange. Very bold hair. Wow. What a dramatic transformation. I love this bright orange color. Very nice modern mullet. What an amazing transformation. And I love how happy and excited she is about her hair change. Very nice. So I hope you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.